Zimbabweans in the UK have taken to the streets, calling for the immediate release of CCC activists who are still languishing in pre-trial detention back home. Just picture it, the streets of London filled with vibrant flags and passionate chants. Zimbabweans abroad are making their voices heard, standing in solidarity with those who are fighting for a better future. Why are these protests happening now? Well, recent political shifts have sparked a new wave of urgency. Mnangagwa is about to assume the chairmanship of SADC, and many fear this could spell more trouble for activists and opposition members. The CC activists have been detained without trial for far too long, and this is a clear violation of their human rights. These protests are not just about the detainees, they're about the bigger picture. They're about justice, democracy, and the fight against oppression. Zimbabweans in the UK are sending a strong message to the world. We will not be silenced, and we will not stand by while our brothers and sisters suffer. So, what can we do to support this movement? Spread the word, share this video, get involved in local advocacy groups. Every bit of pressure counts, and together we can amplify these voices even louder. Remember, this isn't just about the people detained now. It's about ensuring a future where everyone can speak freely and live without fear. The fight for justice never ends, and it needs each one of us to stand up and be counted. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and stay passionate. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.